Understanding whole wheat flour, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common term in cooking and nutrition, whole wheat flour. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's also a great example of how English words combine to give specific meanings. Let's dive into the world of whole wheat flour and understand its significance in both language and cuisine. Whole wheat flour is a three-word phrase where each word contributes to its overall meaning. Whole. This word implies completeness or entirety. In the context of wheat, it means that all parts of the wheat grain are used. Wheat, a type of cereal grain known for its nutritional value and wide use in food products. Flour, a powder obtained by grinding grain, typically used for baking. When combined, whole wheat flour refers to a type of flour that uses all parts of the wheat grain, making it different from refined flours where some parts of the grain are removed. Why choose whole wheat flour? Whole wheat flour is preferred for its nutritional benefits. Unlike refined flour, it contains fiber, aids in digestion, vitamins, essential for various body functions, minerals, such as iron, magnesium, and zinc. Culinary uses. In cooking, whole wheat flour adds a nutty flavor and dense texture to products like bread, pastries, and pasta. It's a staple in health-conscious and traditional recipes. The term whole wheat flour is commonly used in English-speaking countries, reflecting the importance of this ingredient in Western cuisine. However, its equivalent may differ in other languages and cultures, highlighting the diversity of culinary practices around the world. I hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning of whole wheat flour, but also how English phrases can give insight into culture and cuisine. Stay curious, and happy learning!